Hello friends and welcome back. Today in this video we are going to solve this algebraic expressions by two methods. And the given problem here is 7 powered by x minus 1 that is equal to 5. Then we will have to find the value of 7 powered by x plus 1. Friends, please subscribe my channel and also give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. So now friends, let's start with the first method. And the problem here is 7 powered by x minus 1 that is equal to 5, and here the value of x minus 1 will have to convert into x plus 1. So we are going to convert this x minus 1 into x plus 1. For that we will have to subtract minus 2, then we will get x minus 1. So we can write it as x plus 1 minus 2. Now the value of 7 to the power we will write x plus 1 minus 2 that is equal to 5. Here we will separate the exponents in two parts, x plus 1 in one part and minus 2 in one part. After that we will apply the rule of indices. Let us see, it is a to the power m minus n. We can write it as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Likewise we will write 7 to the power x plus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator it is 7 to the power 2, and that is equal to 5. Now we will simplify 7 powered by x plus 1 that is equal to 7 square. 7 square is 49 times 5. So here it is 7 to the power x plus 1 equal to 5 9s are 45, 5 remaining 4, 5 4s are 20 and 4 24. So here we have calculated by one method 7 powered by x plus 1 that is equal to 245. So friend, now we will calculate the value by second method. So here in the questions they have given 7 powered by x minus 1 that is equal to 5. Now here again we will apply the rule of indices, that is a powered by m minus n we will write as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Likewise we will write 7 powered by x that is divided by 7 powered by 1. So here 7 powered by 1 is 7 and that is equal to 5. So here the value of 7 powered by x, 7 powered by x is 7 5s are 35. Now here we have calculated the value of 7 powered by x. 7 powered by x. Now we will convert this 7 powered by x into 7 powered by x plus 1. For that we will have to multiply 7 powered by x with 7. Then only we will get 7 powered by x plus 1. So likewise we will multiply 7 powered by x with 7. In the left hand side we have multiplied by 7, in the right hand side we will also multiply by 7. 35 multiplied by 7. So here we can write it as 7 powered by x plus 1, and in the right hand side 35 multiplied 7 is 245. So friend, here again we have calculated the value of 7 powered by x plus 1 that is equal to 245 here and here also. So friend, how my video is, give your precious comment in comment box and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.